Struggling to convert website traffic into sales? You're not alone. 78% of marketers waste budgets on guesswork, not data. Sound familiar? This pack arms you with battle tested A B testing frameworks for landing pages and CTAs, Hotjar heat map integrations to visualize user friction, validated user research templates for qualitative insights, and conversion funnel frameworks that cut bounce rates by 40+%. Whether you're a growth marketer scaling SaaS funnels, a product manager optimizing checkout flows, or a strategist dissecting ad campaign performance, we've got your toolkit. Spoiler alert, spreadsheets won't haunt your dreams anymore. Here's what's inside the conversion rate optimization pack: data preparation with smart chunking strategies, A B test prioritization matrices for high impact hypotheses, heat map annotation workflows to map user attention, quantitative funnel analysis with SQL templates, qualitative feedback synthesis frameworks. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists, and it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. From statistical significance calculators to session replay tagging protocols, we've engineered every module to bridge the gap between raw data and revenue growth. This isn't theory, it's your new operating system for conversion wins. Installing the conversion rate optimization pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add conversion optimization pack. That's it. You'll download the complete workflow, from hypothesis generation frameworks to post-test analysis playbooks. Your next Claude code session auto-detects the pack, and your AI assistant now speaks fluent CRO. It'll debug funnel leaks, optimize button colors with contrast ratios, and structure user interviews for maximum insight. Compared to rewriting your landing page headline 27 times, this feels almost unfair. Now go turn confused browsers into paying customers. Your A/B test winner is waiting.